Hi guys, Mr. Alan C here, checking out the Divoom times gate right here. And take a look at this. You can put all sorts of widgets and different animations on this, and you can switch screens easily. So let's take a look what I got. Here's a better look at it. So for this main one, I put a bunch of widgets here. So first you can see my local weather. Right here we got this little owl jumping, and you can see those bars. That's reacting to my voice. Test. See that? And then over here, I just threw up a clock. They got dozens and dozens of clocks you can pick from. I thought that one stood out good. Right here, we can see my YouTube channel. You can see the live view counts and the live subscriber counts. Over here, you can see the live Bitcoin price. Now on the back, you can do all sorts of things with these lights. And they put off really nice effects against the wall or whatever you set this against. Absolutely loving this. Let's go up here. This adjusts the light settings. You can also hit power to just black this out at night if you got it in your bedroom and you want to sleep. Or you can hit mode to go over to the next screen. So that's going to load my next screen. Looks like we got some Simpsons action going on. Let me show you why. I think it actually looks pretty dope on my Simpsons arcade cabinet. Take a look at this. You can set all sorts of animations. If you want this tile to play dozens of animations, you can set dozens and it'll loop through them. Or you can just put one per tile or dozens. So it just plays for a long, long time. Yeah, look how much that dresses that up. Absolutely loving that. And hit that mode button again. Let's go over to my next screen. Up my upland.me setup right here. You can see different animations and stuff, and my profile avatar there, and the globe of Upland, because I love playing that right there. So how cool is that? This is a game I'm very passionate about. You can just set it by your PC or wherever you want, and yeah, these look vibrant and amazing in person. They really stand out. So let's see what else we got. We'll hit mode button again. And that's going to switch over to the next mode. What do we got? X-Men appearing? Let's go check this one out. Why would there be X-Men? Maybe it has to do with my Marvel pinball machine where I'm playing some X-Men pinball. How about that? Take a look. We got all the X-Men. We could even put this up here if we wanted. Check this out. Now that dresses up the pinball machine right there. How cool is that? Absolutely loving this, guys. And you can do so much more. And you can set screens after screens after screens. It is so cool. You can also set this Divoom timesgate device to start up with your PC by plugging the USB plug into the USB port on your PC. It's so cool. Thank you guys for checking it out with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.